So, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Litecoin. I guess we can start. Litecoin or LTC or just L. It is peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and open source project realized under the MIT or X11 license. Um, Litecoin was a yearly um, spin-off of Litecoin, start on October 2011. In technical details, Litecoin is nearly identical to Bitcoin. So by 2011, Bitcoin mining was largely performed by GPU. This trade concerned in some users that mining now had a high barrier to entry and that CPU resources were becoming obsoletely and worstly for mining. Using code for Bitcoin, a new alternative currency was created called Tenebricks. Tenebricks replaced the SHA uh, 256 uh, round in Bitcoin's mining algorithm when the script function, which had been specifically designed in 20, 2008 to be expensive to accelerate with FPGA or ACIC chips. This would allow Tenebricks to have been GPU resistant and utilize the available GPU resources from Bitcoin miners. Tenebricks itself was a successor project to an earlier um, cryptocurrency which replaced Bitcoin's issuance schedule with a constant block reward, thus creating an unlimited money supply. However, the developers included a clause in the code that would allow them to claim 7 million TBX for themselves at no cost, which were criticized by users. To address this, Charlie, um, a Google employee who would later become engineering director at Coinbase, created an alternative version of Tenebricks. Um, Call it Firebricks, FBX. Litecoin inherits the script mining algorithm from Firebricks, but refers to the limited money supply of Bitcoin with other changes. Lee released Litecoin via an open source client on GitHub on October 2011. The Litecoin network went live on October 13, 2011. It was source code fork of Bitcoin Core, a client different primarily by having a decreased block generation time, uh, 2.5 minutes, increased maximum number of coins, different hashing algorithm script instead of SHA 256, and a slightly modified GUI. So during the months of November 2013, the aggregate value of Litecoin experienced massive growth, which included a 100% leap within 24 hours. So also in May 2017, Litecoin became the first of the top 5 by market caps cryptocurrencies to adopt disaggregated witnesses. Later in May of the same year, the first Lightning Network transactions was completed through Litecoin, transferring um, Litecoin from Zurich to San Francisco and in 1 second. In 2020, um, PayPal added the ability for users to purchase a derivative of Litecoin along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, which could be withdrawn or spent as part of its crypto feature. In September 2021, Pike Press Release was published on a Globe Newswire announcing a partnership between Litecoin and Walmart. This caused the price of Litecoin to increase by around 30% before the press release was revealed as a hoax. In February 2022, Litecoin has reached a market cap of uh, $9 billion. Litecoin is different in some ways from Bitcoin. Um, the Litecoin networks aims to proceed a block every 22 with half minutes rather than Bitcoin 10 minutes. Allows Litecoin to confirm transactions 4 times faster than Bitcoin. Litecoin uses a script in the form of work algorithm and sequentially memory hard function uh, requiring asymptotically more memory than an algorithm which is no memory hard. Litecoin has maximum circulating supply of 84 millions LTC, which is 4 times larger than Bitcoin maximum of circularity supply of 21 million of BTC. Uh, times stamping of proof of work. Uh, Due to Litecoin's use of script algorithm, FPGA and ASIC devices made of mining Litecoin and more compared created a expensive um, expensive way uh, a more great expensive way of Bitcoin, which use SGA 256 when it comes to Litecoin as a method of payment. In early days, there were correlations to Bitcoin in terms of extended payments patterns. Also, one might assume that payments patterns of Litecoin would converge to Bitcoin. It has been found that there is a large correlations of payments patterns of Litecoin versus Bitcoin today. All these patterns continue to diverge over time. So guys, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.